Poland. Echoes of the past, wonders of today. Discover Poland, the vibrant heart of Europe, where timeless history, breathtaking nature, and rich traditions come together to create a journey full of wonder, warmth, and unforgettable moments. With its strong national identity and resilient spirit, it offers a warm welcome to travelers seeking both depth and discovery. Nature here is truly diverse, from wild forests and shimmering lakes to golden beaches and peaceful countryside. A paradise for hikers, wildlife lovers, and anyone seeking outdoor serenity. The best time to visit? May to September, when the weather's mild, the landscapes bloom, and festivals fill the air with music and joy. Poland's highlights stretch far beyond scenery. You'll find deep-rooted folklore, a world-class music heritage, and a thriving arts scene alive in every corner of the country. And of course, there's the food. Hearty, comforting, and full of flavor. Think dumplings, sour rice soup, stews, and freshly baked bread shared with family and friends. Celebrate with the locals at vibrant events like Midsummer's Wianki, the Harvest Dożynki, or the moving sounds of the Warsaw Autumn Music Festival. Poland is more than a destination. It's an experience woven with culture, nature, and heartfelt tradition. Come see it for yourself. Good vibes only.